YouTube, what is up? So, we are going to meet up by Clean Culture and Nostalgic Nights, and it's a little one in Miami, but so much for being little. So the entrance is over here. That is the line to get in, and this goes all the way over there, and we're not even in yet. There's about 200 cars here tonight, and it's supposed to be, you know, like a preview meet for an event coming up. But tonight, it seems like everybody in Miami is out. Now, I'm out with my car crew, Unity Car Club. We are about, I think, 7 or 8 deep. We have the ES, we have the IS behind me, we have another IS in front of me, and a handful of RCs. So, once we get in here, we'll have an update. We are in here, finally. Mike with the gold grill. Low, Dre, Max. And we are here for Clean Culture's event. So far, so good. Pretty packed out. Took us about an hour to get inside, finally. Walking around right now and seeing what's going on. Tons of cars here. Some regular traffic, some pretty modded out. And we're going to take a walk around, and then we're going to start interviewing people. Mike, you got anything to say?
Nah, I'm cool.
Cool. It's cool. Also, you want a cool shirt? Go to tunercartoons.com. Get you a customized shirt of your car. Hit them up on Instagram and use code DEFX4. Save some money. Oh, he's pulling to me? Yeah, if y'all gonna go.
We're gonna put the GPS to get there so we don't follow each other. And be like all over the place.
High quality rollers.
Yeah, just that.
Well, everybody, that does it for tonight. We are gonna take a drive to bowling alley, get some more food, drinks, things like that. And once again, I want to give a big shout out to Tuner Cartoons for providing this awesome shirt of my Lexus. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. All the details. All the look at all the details. Like, they got every part of it. So hit them up on Instagram and their website, tunercartoons.com, Tuner Cartoons on IG. That's all for tonight. See you guys.